So hello all. This is my first attempt. I guess well actually it's kind of my second attempt. Uh, but all like my name is Gibby though. So this is my attempt at Varmer coaching, Varmer culture. So I just started out. I've always been interested, so I decided to start out very small. I've been researching everything, and I was going to buy some worms online, but things have not been where I needed to be. So what I did when I was researching, I just walked in Walmart one day and I just asked one of the associates there, did they have bait worms? And she let me know that they did, and I went through looking at everything, and I did find out that the worms that they had for sale was actually European night crawlers. Um, so what I did, I just decided to go ahead and buy a couple. I thought I was going to get into like a little container containing about a few of them. So I bought it. But when I got home and I searched through, there was a lot more in the container than I expected. So like I said, so I got everything and I didn't have anything set up. I didn't have any composting containers or anything set up. I haven't bought anything. Eventually, I would like to go ahead and buy some to to expand this, but as of right now, where I'm at is just I just have just this little makeshift container. Everything is makeshift, but I know it's not the ideal container. But what I did, actually, let me just set this up here. So this is my container right here, and as you can see, it's not ideal. I just got a big hole punched in right here, just to have some air coming through, and it looks kind of messy in here. But what it is, I do have the worm set up. I'm using one hand. So I just made a container, put the soil that was already in the put the soil that was in the bait container already. But what I did, I took a couple banana peels and I put in here, and I put some paper towel on top. And if you see this white here, this is because I just crushed up some egg shells and put it in here. Let me see if I can find a couple. They're in here. As you can see, there's a few here. Let me see if I dig down in here. Let me see, there's a lot of them. Right, a lot of them was some larger size. So the container said that these were of the species. I can't remember the species name, but I did look it up while I was in Walmart, and the species name did come up as European night crawlers. I think these are night crawlers. I'm not 100% sure. So as you can see here, let me see. So here's a good one here. So this is one here. If you all are 100% sure if you know exactly what type of worm this is, if this is not a European night crawler, please definitely let me know. But as of right now, I've only had these worms for a couple days. I would eventually like to transfer this into a better container, but you can see is also I put grass in here the other day. Let me see. I don't know how the lighting is. So I just put some dead grass clippings in here that I did notice that was on the ground for several weeks in patches. Let me see here. Also, so check that out. So like I said, there was a lot more in here than what I expected, and that's not even all of them. So wow, that one there is kind of long. It's kind of a good size one right there. So I'm not 100% sure if these are European night crawlers or not. I may take these banana peels. I don't know yet, because this is a large one here. But as of right now, I just keep it in there. I'm gonna go through and rearrange this a little bit more. put that paper towel back down how it was. I just disturbed them. This paper towel was providing cover right there, so I gotta put it underneath there again. But what I did, like I said, I don't have anything planned or nothing set up. But what I did notice that eggshells. They said eggshells is a very good material to feed the worms for grit and for is it carbon? I can't remember exactly what it is. Like I said, I didn't have anything, so what I did, I just walked outside and I found this little brick in this one here. And what I was doing, I just took the egg and just the eggshell and just crushed it. Just crushed it up like this through here. And that's all the white that you see right in here. All those white. But yeah, so like I said, in a couple of weeks I do plan on documenting this going forward. I do want to build a better container. I really hope to see within the next couple of weeks or something to see if they do reproduce in here. Because if they end up reproducing, then I know I assume that I'm on the right track and I didn't do anything to I didn't make any huge mistakes. I know this could be better and I want to be better, but right now this is just me starting out. If you have any comments, any suggestions or anything, definitely leave them in the comments for me. I'm definitely going to be researching a lot more. Like I said, from here, I would definitely like to start off with other projects too, vermiculture, aquaculture, aquaculture, aquaponics, growing fish and vegetables. But as of right now, I got to start somewhere. I don't own my own property. I'm just in a little small apartment. But eventually, I'd like to grow this. And until then, okay, like I said, just leave a comment, like, subscribe, and just give any suggestions if you like. Thank you. See you guys in the next video.